What's up, guys? Good morning. So today I'll soon be on my way to work, and today is just going to be a brief video just to show you the quality and audio, the video and audio quality of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and just give you an idea or a sense of a bit of my daily routine, preparing for work and going to work and all that, and just to give you a sense of the camera quality of the iPhone. So join me as I go to work. So it's a beautiful sunny day, but cold here in Washington, DC. Now at the Union Station, about to get the trolley on the last lap to work. Just missed the trolley, so I had to walk to work. Now at work, about to start my day. Let's see what the day has to offer. So far, are you liking the iPhone? I guess I'll find out when I put it on the big screen and see the quality. But so far, I should see. So just ordered some lunch right now, and I'm about to hit it. Having yam porridge for lunch. Late lunch is about 3:40. Just got off work, heading home.
We're just vlogging, right?
Yeah.
What are we about to talk about? What's the Q&A about?
See who I found.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Introduce
It's Sniper. It's awesome. So
when creatives meet creative.
yeah, it's pretty cool. We got to talk about music videos, I'm actually going to New York right now to edit a film, so I think that's exclusive. This is the first time people are hearing about this. Nobody's really supposed to know, so I'm in New York editing a film, so can't say much more. I'm on an NDA.
So how long is it? That's 4 hours, right?
What's that?
The trip to New York.
Yeah, the trip to New York is about like 4 hours, so I'm gonna sit up there and edit actually. So I brought my proxy files with me from the set, so yeah, I can edit on my Surface Pro.
So how long is the movie?
Can't say much about it.
No, I'm not saying you should tell me what the movie is about. I'm saying like, is it like a short film, a long?
It's a longer film. Yeah.
Oh.
You seem kind of quiet about it, huh?
We're in Union Station, so he's about to take the train to New York City.
Yeah, I see.
So what's your take on the new, you've been able to try out the DaVinci 17?
I haven't tried DaVinci 17. I can't use DaVinci 17 right now because right now you have to upgrade the database. And right now I'm using the database I'm currently working on with my short film. So DaVinci 16's database isn't compatible with 17, so they gotta upgrade your database. And I don't want to do all that right now because I would hate for this me to lose all this stuff for my short film. Not that I didn't back it all up multiple times, but still, you know, better safe than sorry. So I'll stick with the stable right now before I switch over.
He's trying to convince me. He's trying to convince me to move from Premiere that charges an arm and a leg to DaVinci that is literally free. And I've used DaVinci. It's nice.
It's amazing.
But the previous computer I had, it was a nightmare because it kept on freezing and crashing. But now I have a good laptop, so I'm gonna give it a try. So yeah, but you know it's still kind of dull, so this is how you know if the low lights is good, because they were making so much noise about the low lights.
Is it really good on that?
On their iPhone. Well, I'll find out when I put it on the computer. You know, sometimes when you look at the phone, it can be deceiving.
Yeah.
Doors open. Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. This is the Silver Line train to Florida Town Center. The next stop is Federal Triangle. Step back. Doors open. Facial coverings are required at all times while riding Metro Rail and Metro Bus. Thank you.
So to close out this video, I'll say the iPhone 12 Pro Max has done pretty much good job. The back, I started vlogging at around 6:30 when I woke up this morning, and it's about 6:30 already. That's 12 hours already, and I started with 100% battery, and now I'm at about 31%. So, and that included filming this video, watching YouTube videos, listening to music, taking pictures, responding to messages, and making some calls and everything. And it really stood up well. If I started at 100% at 6:30 or 6 a.m. this morning, and I'm at about 31.9% battery life, then that's a good decent job, because I previously had the iPhone 11, and most times when it's 3 p.m. I would have to charge the phone. But for the 12 Pro Max, it has stayed well, and pretty much has done a good job. There's one thing I'll have to do another video for will be for the 5G, because some of the results I got were just the results were impressive, and I'll have to do another video that will be another story for another video. So pretty much that. So almost getting home. So I would say if there are things I like about the iPhone 12 Pro Max, would be the battery life. I like the size, it's big. What again do I like? Yeah, those are the two major things I can think of. And it's kind of fast also, so it's been optimized properly, so that way your battery and everything stays strong. So I'll end the video here. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a like, share, and subscribe. To the next video. Peace.
To say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you.